It's freezing outside. I don't feel like going anywhere.
Well, I believe you, but if you're going to stay at home, you will probably be glued to your phone as usual, so why don't you use the time and learn something new as well?
Sure, what do you have in mind?
Have you heard of the website called Slonline?
No, what is it?
Slonline is a website created for learning Slovene by Centru for Slovene as a foreign and second language. It doesn't only exist as a website, but also as an app.
Great, and how does it work?
You learn Slovenian through pictures, audio, and different interactive exercises.
Why does it feel like you're trying to sell me something?
Of course not. The app is actually free and it's available in 8 different languages.
So if I want to learn some Slovene, a phone is all I need?
Exactly.